Introducing U.S. Pool Supplies Octopus Professional Automatic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. A professional, powerful, and quiet automatic suction pool vacuum cleaner that quickly cleans your entire pool without missing spots. It is an efficient, durable, and quiet vacuum cleaning system with a long-life diaphragm membrane. The diaphragm eliminates the annoying flapper hammer noise that other flapper vacuum cleaners have, replacement diaphragm included. The innovative vacuum design has incredible suction power, so it can quickly and easily clean your entire pool. It thoroughly cleans and removes all pool debris as it moves across floors, climbs up walls, and around steps without getting stuck. It features a 19-inch, flexible fin seal disc skirt that thoroughly cleans and removes all pool debris as it moves across floors, climbs up walls, and around steps without getting stuck. Includes 33 feet of premium spiral-wound vacuum hose. The hose sections allow you to customize the hose length to the requirements of your pool. The hoses are designed with a snug and secure fit to prevent leaks. The unique deflector wheel helps prevent it from getting caught on steps, ladders, and corners. It also includes all of these accessories. It works excellent in in-ground pools and some models of above-ground pools as well. It's easy to install as no tools are required. Make a splash today with U.S. Pool Supply. Thanks for visiting U.S. Pool Supply. Hit that like button and please consider subscribing to our channel.